how to create PayPal account in Pakistan. Now this is actually quite simple and I'm going to show you how to do this one. First things first, go ahead and open paypal.com. Here go ahead and click the sign up button and then go and choose personal account. So this is going to make it easier for us in order for us to proceed in creating an account. I'm going to click next. Now here go ahead and enter your mobile number and then click next once again, and then try to create a password. So make sure that you follow these here. This is gonna be your guide. Now click next and then go ahead and enter your first name, middle name, and last name. In my case, I'm just going to go ahead and put first and last name. And then yeah, make sure that this is also matches your official ID. So go ahead and write here your real ID or your real name in Pakistan. Go ahead and click next, and then for the nationality, go ahead and write here or choose here Pakistan, because you're gonna be needing your ID here. In my case, I'm just gonna choose Philippines as of the moment because I am from the Philippines, and then I'm gonna fill this in. All right, there you go. So I've filled this in. Now I'm going to click the next button right here. Now we have here your ID. Go ahead and type it here. I'm just going to go ahead and try to write here, say for example this one right here. Okay, and then afterwards just go ahead and confirm this one. For the promotion, I'm not gonna go ahead and encourage you to do so. Just go ahead and click agree and create account. All right, so you have successfully created. Now for this part, you can just go ahead and click not now. All right, now this is the important part. So link a card. Now this is the most important part. Now in order for us to proceed with this one, I want you to go ahead and make sure that you have a Pioneer account. So Pioneer is a bank, okay? This is not a wallet, so you can go ahead and use this one to create, to send, and to receive money. So go ahead and choose sign up from this part. And then we're going to go ahead and basically try to put here all the other things that are going to be very much necessary for you. So you have, for example, here, what are you? So freelance, service provider, or whatever. I'm going to choose freelance for now. And then here, choose the right Pioneer account type for your business needs. Let's go ahead and proceed in saying that I earn about, let's say this is a monthly. Okay, this one. Now click the register button. And then you're just going to go ahead and fill in most details here. And then basically, once you're done, you should be able to enter here your card number. This is from Pioneer again, card type, and so on and so forth. So yep, just go ahead and try to use a Pioneer account in order for you to get this done. And that is how to create PayPal account in Pakistan.